Tired of bland meal prep? Today we're making my sweet and spicy turkey salad. It's high protein, packed with a crunch, and has a secret ingredient that changes everything. Let's get right into it. We start with the crunch. I'm dicing up confetti of red, green, and yellow peppers. It's not just the look. Those peppers bring a sweetness that's essential for the balance. Throw in some finely diced celery, onion, and carrots for the texture. And then the heat. Fresh jalapeños. Chop them fine so the spice hits every bite. For the base, we're using lean roasted turkey breast. Cube it up for that perfect bite. Now, don't skip the boiled eggs. They add a rich, creamy element that balances out acidity. Chop them rough and then set them aside. We're filling those in at the very end to keep them chunky. Now the gold sauce. We're mixing mayo, mustard, sweet pickle relish, but there's a game changer. A tablespoon of brown sugar. The sugar mellows the jalapeno burn, and it creates a sweet profile that is addictive. Season it with garlic, onion powder, salt, pepper, and a pinch of smoked paprika. Pour that dressing over your turkey peppers and give it a good toss. Gently fold your eggs in last so the yolk will stay intact. Let it chill for 30 minutes and let those flavors marinate. Serve it on a croissant or a wrap or a bed of lettuce. And if you love these recipes, hit that subscribe button and follow Food Thought 773 for more. See you next time.
you.